Okay. Game. What's up, Pilipinas? Isama po natin ngayon ang bagong muka, the new face of Crossfire Philippines, Miss Mocha Uso.
Hello, kamusta?
Hi, Miss Mocha. We all know naman na very accomplished ka, both online and pati na rin offline.
Bakit brown out?
Oh,
Joke lang.
kahit brown out, pinupuntahan ka pa rin. Diba?
Yan tayo eh.
Yes, yan tayo.
Crossfire Rocks!
Crossfire Rocks. Ngayon, you're the new face of Crossfire Philippines, diba? They created an in-game character for you. Could you tell us more about it?
Yun po, itong Crossfire Rocks, meron na rin Philippines. So, ako po yung napili nilang maging bagong character, first Filipina character. Kaya masaya lang po tayo.
So after Manny Pacquiao, ikaw yung first Filipina that could be the face or the in-game character of Crossfire.
Yun na nga po. Kaya, at tayo po ay talagang masaya.
Parang malaking honor yan, di ba? Manny Pacquiao, alam natin sikat. And even as well, you're one of the most popular, di ba? Kumbaga sabi nga nila, hindi ka lang famous, infamous pa rin.
Infamous na!
Hindi kasi di ba, sabi nila, you have this support on the president. So you're very controversial. Nabanggit mo nga kanina, you have a lot of bashers. Aside from the fans, na napakarami din, you have a lot of bashers. Pero sa tingin mo naman, mas marami pa rin ang fans mo, di ba?
Mas marami ang supporters ko. Kaya tuloy-tuloy.
I mean you, as the Mocha Uso.
Siguro mas marami ng mamahal sa bagong Mocha Uso. May sa akin sa Facebook sinasabi na we support you dahil you change and huwag kang magpa-apekto sa bashers.
So you're very popular sa both sa vlog mo and sa Facebook, di ba? So you have a lot of followers, readers, fans. So what can you say naman about yung mga other sites na they're conflicting with what you're saying on your own particular social media accounts?
Yung syempre may opinion sila, may opinion ako. Respeto na lang natin siguro.
So meron ka naman kaibigan siguro na Duterte, anti-Duterte? Or not supporting Duterte?
Actually, mas dumami ang kaibigan ko ngayon.
Talaga?
Dahil din po yun. Dati ko mang-delay kaibigan ko ngayon. Dumami, 4 million na.
So before Duterte ba, yung number of likes mo or followers mo dumami? As you say? Or,
Ano ba ito, Facebook?
o friends ba yun na offline?
Kasi yung Facebook page, ano yan, hindi naman page ko lang yan. Page ng supporters yan, na kung meron silang hinain, doon nila na yung para nilalagay nila ng comments sila. Tapos ako, I try my best na may paabot na sa mga.
So is it, dito, tinatawag mo is, yung online ba, sa tingin mo, is it very, in this time and ngayon nangyayari ngayon, is it more popular than the print, the TV, the radios?
Kasi lahat nasa
Mas malaki ang reach ba?
lahat nasa internet. Mas malaki.
So will we be seeing more of you online or lalabas ka pa rin naman sa mga TV?
Online.
So you think that the online or social media is more powerful now? How about yung sa game, di ba? Pinili ka nila. So I'm sure it's also because na you're sexy or sexy character. You're also beautiful. And so, di ba, may mga sikat rin na mga, di ba, cosplay characters like Ayodia, si Ashley. Pero what makes you their choice sa game?
Kung yung sinabi ng ating brand manager, naghahanap sila ng matapang, playful, at nakita nila yun sa habang at sa performance.
Yun. So, does it mean that we'll be seeing more of you playing the game?
Oo, yes, maglalaro na tayo. Kasama tayo sa mga championships, sa mga
You'll be going around touring, di ba? Representing Crossfire. Ayun. So, sige, since we're lacking time, could you please invite them to come support your character as well as the event happening right now from October 14 to 16 at the National Convention Center.
here at the CFS Invitational Manila. At supportahan po natin ang Crossfire Philippines. At ako po ay napili nilang bagong muka ng Crossfire character, first Filipina character. Kaya maraming salamat po, Crossfire Philippines. Crossfire rocks!
Can we say what's up Pilipinas
Siyempre.
both same time?
Oh, ganun
Okay,
ba yun?
one.
Ay, iba yun.
So, what's up Pilipinas? Kahit
Ay,
ano.
matagal na pala yun. Sige, okay, fine. What's up? Ay, sorry.
One, two, three. What's up Pilipinas?
Thank you, Kuya. Salamat.
Thank you, salamat very much.
Last na po, last na. Sorry.
Problem.